Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best GloFish is probably one of the most mesmerizing and vibrant aquarium fish you can find, adding a splash of dazzling color to any home aquarium. In this video, we will explore what makes GloFish so special, from their captivating glow to the essential care tips that ensure their health and happiness, helping you decide if these genetically modified fish are the right fit for your aquatic setup and lifestyle, and if you are ready for the responsibility of owning these unique creatures. Number 5. GloFish Special Flake Fish Food. It's specially designed to bring out the vibrant colors of your GloFish. This food is also great for other small to mid-sized tropical fish. This nutritious flake food is perfect for your GloFish and other small to mid-sized tropical fish in your aquarium. It provides a complete and balanced diet. The special flake formula ensures your fish receive all the essential nutrients they need to thrive and stay healthy. It's a delicious and nutritious meal. Feed it 2 to 3 times a day, only giving them what they can eat in about a minute. Avoid overfeeding for a clean and healthy tank. GloFish and our products create a stunning underwater fluorescent experience. Watch your fish shine. This 1.59-ounce bag provides plenty of food to keep your fish happy and healthy. Enjoy the vibrant colors. What we like. It's specially designed to bring out the vibrant colors of your GloFish. If you're looking for a food that enhances their brightness and overall health, this is the one for you. This nutritious food is suitable for various small to mid-sized tropical fish, making it a versatile choice for your aquarium. What people say. Good quality. No bad smell. Good size. Small and medium-sized flakes that provide varied nutrition for your tank buddies. Great for their health. My gurmies love them. They last a long time, multifunctional, and don't smell too bad. I have tried some different fish flakes and these are the best. They are affordable. It smells like real fish. Our GloFish love this and don't eat some others that we have tried now. All fish are healthy and growing well with this food. Number 4. GloFish Fluorescent Plant 3-Pack. Introducing the GloFish Fluorescent Plant Multipack, bringing vibrant color to your aquarium. This pack contains 3 plants in assorted sizes and colors, perfect for creating a stunning underwater scene. These aren't your average aquarium plants. They fluoresce beautifully when paired with GloFish Blue LED lighting, sold separately. Watch them glow. The multipack includes 1 medium yellow, 1 large orange, and 1 large blue plant. Each one adds a unique pop of color to your aquarium. It's easy to create your dream aquarium with GloFish fluorescent plants. They come in various colors, styles, and sizes, allowing for endless customization options. Complete your underwater fluorescent world with GloFish fluorescent fish and accessories. It's the perfect way to create a truly unique and captivating aquarium. Add a touch of magic to your aquarium with these vibrant, glowing plants. They're easy to care for and will bring a whole new level of excitement to your underwater world. What we like. These plants add a stunning, vibrant pop of color to your GloFish aquarium. If you want to create a truly unique and eye-catching underwater scene, these fluorescent plants are a must-have. They come in various colors and sizes, allowing you to personalize your aquarium's look. What people say. Yeah, it has a glow under blue LED lights. Good for a futuristic modern theme. Glows differently under different color lights. Easy to use, don't need to add weights. The colors are beautiful but even more so with the glow lights on them. Number 3. GloFish Crescent 3-Gallon Kit. This stunning 3-gallon aquarium is perfect for showcasing your GloFish. Its crescent shape adds a unique touch to any room. It comes complete with everything you need to get started, including a built-in filter and energy-efficient LED lighting. Setup is quick and easy. The integrated blue LED lights beautifully highlight your GloFish, making their fluorescent colors truly pop. It creates a mesmerizing underwater scene. The Whisper Quiet filter keeps your aquarium clean and healthy. It removes waste and debris, ensuring a pristine environment for your fish. The sleek black hood helps reduce evaporation and prevents your fish from jumping out. It also adds a stylish finish. Bring the vibrant world of GloFish into your home with this complete aquarium kit. It's designed to enhance the beauty and vibrancy of your fluorescent fish. What we like. It's an all-in-one solution for setting up a GloFish aquarium. If you're a beginner or want a hassle-free setup, this kit has everything you need. The built-in blue LED light enhances the fluorescent glow of your fish, creating a captivating underwater world. What people say. The filter is also very quiet. A very low hum. It is easy to set up and assemble. The tank itself is plastic, which makes it much lighter. The light secures on top with 2 simple screws and it plugs in, so the light emits a constant blue glow that makes everything in the tank glow. The 3 gallons should be the minimum for a beta and I love it. I love the aquarium, it is beautiful. Number 2. GloFish Water Conditioner. Introducing GloFish Water Conditioner, your key to a thriving aquarium. It transforms tap water, making it safe and healthy for your vibrant GloFish. It neutralizes harmful chlorine, chloramines, and heavy metals, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. Simple to use, it's perfect for setting up a new aquarium or for regular water changes. Watch your GloFish thrive. This conditioner removes impurities, creating the ideal water conditions for their vibrant colors and overall well-being. Use it when setting up a new aquarium, and then use it monthly for partial water changes or to replace evaporated water. It's that easy. For the most vibrant GloFish, use this conditioner with GloFish Color Booster. Together, they create the ultimate underwater fluorescent experience. With GloFish Water Conditioner and Color Booster, you're providing the best care for your fish, resulting in a stunning, vibrant aquarium. Enjoy the underwater spectacle. What we like. It ensures your GloFish thrive in a healthy environment. If you prioritize the well-being of your fish, this water conditioner is essential. It removes harmful substances from tap water, creating a safe and healthy habitat for your GloFish. Number 1. GloFish Castle Ornament. It's the perfect addition to any GloFish aquarium. Watch your fish explore its enchanting design and multiple hiding places. This castle provides a secure haven for your fish to reduce stress and encourages natural exploration. They'll love having their own underwater castle. Its silvery finish creates a stunning glow when paired with GloFish LED lights. It will add a magical touch to your aquarium. Find the perfect size for your aquarium. This large castle is also available in a smaller size. It complements GloFish fluorescent fish, creating a vibrant and mesmerizing underwater world. Bring the magic home. This large castle measures 3 by 3.25 by 4.25 inches, providing ample space for your fish to play and hide. What we like. It provides a fun and secure hiding place for your GloFish to reduce stress. If you want to add a touch of whimsy and provide a safe haven for your fish, this ornament is perfect. The silvery finish creates a beautiful glow under GloFish LED lights, adding to the overall ambience of your aquarium. What people say. Very colorful. Gave the aquarium a nice color vibe to it when black light is on. My little female betta loves her castle. It is very cute and bright, so it looks pretty in the tank. They will enjoy it. Arrived on time and in perfect condition. Purchased for our 1-gallon tank and now moved it into our 3-gallon tank. Love the look it holds against the different light settings in both of the fish tanks. Our fish seem to enjoy having it, no rough edges as they swim through and around it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.